Today I'm at Kirby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I'm showing you a lovely 2006 Volkswagen Eos. This is a metallic silver with a chrome grille guard, as well as lovely alloy wheels and a panoramic roof. The exterior with the roof up is really nice. However, it's not very aggressive. It's quite curvy, but it still looks good. It has a 2-litre petrol engine, and I'll now show you the interior and start it up. One of the things you'll notice is that it's got a really rich feel to it, as it's a leather wrapped steering wheel with grips and different leather trimmed areas, as well as leather seats all round the vehicle, and a nice leather designed plastic to complete. A flat lined lockable glove box, and the silvers parts really finish off the rich design. It's a 6-speed manual, which makes it nippy, but also, being a Volkswagen, it's extremely economical, yet still fun to drive. It's got a normal radio for Volkswagens.
Thank you so much for your news before the news.
And a nice audio system
Am I gonna say this
all
is a
around the
classic? No, I'm
car.
not, but it's good. I know we Pitbull, Kesha, Timber.
Nice bit of Kesha. It's a 3-spoke steering wheel, and there's buttons for the fuel filler cap and the boot entry. Not bad. The convertible option is available by these 2 buttons. With easy, you just push down for the roof to go down. It's fairly quick, and if I stop it here and quickly show you, you'll notice the car turns into a transformer, which is pretty cool. And you can look at all the safe mechanics which goes into designing and making this available. And just carry on. And it folds into the boot. And then the windows, if you carry on pressing the button, do come back up. However, you can either leave the button where it is and not do the windows up, or there's an option for all the windows to go down. It's a 4-seated vehicle. Whoops. And the seats are comfortable in the back too. There's also an armrest for passengers, and it's lockable because it's a good space to fit skis through too. And the audio system carries on to the back. I'll show you the exterior with the roof down. It looks even better as a convertible, and you'll notice that even with the roof down, there's still space to put your luggage, and that space is bigger when the roof is up. The interior looks great from out here. That's it for today. If you like this video, would like to see some more of our stock, press like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.